thank you to Unilever Philippines for having us, Stormy and Billy, and Close Up Red Philippines. To the fans, Barda fans, my fans, and Barbie's fans, and of course, your fans. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. At sa'yo din, Erika. Thank you. Yun lang, tsaka tayo thank you sa kanta, ang ganda. At, ayun, thank you.
Thank you, Sir David. Ikaw, Sir Karim.
First of all, close up. Kasi dahil sa event to, really had so much fun performing. Ganun pa ako. You know, I just want to thank these heroes of AC for being here and spending some time with us today. And of course, gusto ko salamatan yung Barda for the support. And yeah, gusto ko sana magbibenta ako ng ticket. So there's still available tickets for day 2. Saw concert namin sa Philippine Arena. Unfortunately, yung day 1 sold out na. Pero sa day 2, meron pa available tickets. But it's like limited na lang ngayon. So I hope that you can come and enjoy sa concert namin. That's on June 1. And then May 31. And of course, yung EP namin na so release na po siya sa lahat ng music platforms. So you might want to check it out. So yeah. Thank you so much. See you guys soon.